Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to talk about inventory management, a critical component that can significantly impact your maintenance performance. We'll delve into the art of optimizing inventory, not just stocking or unstocking, but making smart decisions. We will explore 7 key metrics recommended by the Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals, or SMRP, to help you make informed decisions about your inventory. So let's get started. Did you know that inventory can make or break your maintenance performance? Many maintenance metrics and key performance indicators rely on having the right parts at the right time. We've all experienced how frustrating it is to delay tasks just because a part is unavailable. But the solution isn't as simple as just filling up the storeroom. In fact, most companies prioritize lowering stock quantities to decrease working capital. The real trick to inventory management is not just getting rid of stock or not stocking at all. It's about optimizing, in other words, stocking smart. To make informed decisions when optimizing inventory, you need to be equipped with the right tools in the form of good data. Over the years, organizations from various industries have established some best practices that serve as a guide towards inventory management. So let's dive into 7 key metrics you should be tracking for inventory, as prescribed by the Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals, or SMRP. First up, we have store inventory turns. This is the ratio of the value of stock purchased to the value of the stock that is currently on hand, measured over a set period, like a year. This metric gives you a sense of how fast inventory is flowing through the storeroom. It indicates the replenishment rate of your stocks. Higher values mean fast-moving inventory, while lower values suggest slow-moving inventory or possible overstocking. Next, we have stockouts. This is a measure of the number of times that a part is not available immediately. It's counted every time someone attempts to get a required part from the warehouse and is unable to do so. It's expressed as the percentage of requests with stock out over the total number of requests. Our third metric is vendor-managed inventory. This is defined as the number of vendor-managed stocked materials divided by the total number of stocked materials. There are some notable benefits of having your suppliers take full responsibility for providing your inventory needs. Fourth on our list is inactive stock. These are materials in your stockroom that have not been used in the last 12 months or longer. Analyzing the number of inactive stocks can lead you to more strategic decisions and actions to manage your working capital. Next, we have storeroom transactions. This metric is calculated by taking the total number of transactions within a period, then dividing it by the number of clerks. It represents the average number of transactions that each clerk performs within the period. Our sixth metric is Storeroom Records. This evaluates the workload of storeroom staff. You can calculate this metric by taking the total number of stock records and dividing it with the number of clerks working full-time within a given period. Finally, we have maintenance material costs. This includes any expense incurred for materials, supplies, and consumables required to perform maintenance activities within a given period. It's expressed as a percentage of the sum of all maintenance costs. Remember, tracking is the first step. By having enough data on the current situation, you can develop strategies to improve existing processes. After implementing the improvements, the metrics would objectively show you the things you did correctly and the things you can further refine. This becomes a continually evolving process of learning and development. So start tracking these 7 key metrics today and take your inventory management to the next level. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of inventory management and the 7 key metrics recommended by the SMRP. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. To learn more about our tools and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you optimize your maintenance and operations.